the testing agenda. Right with the new heading, mention the testing agenda. Under that, make a note of all these particular module names. All online students also, I required everyone need to be take care about maintaining with proper notebook. Even online students also, I required everyone need to take care about and maintain with proper notebooks. Please take care about the proper notebooks as part of this particular training program. So please take with the new heading, mention that particular testing agenda. As part of that particular testing agenda, make a note of all that particular module names. Make a note of each and every particular module name. That is what exactly you are going to learn or you are going to understand as part of this particular training program. Please take care about all that particular points, including online students also. All online students also, please take care about that particular module names. Just make a note of all that particular respective module names. All online students also, please make a note of all that particular points. All your questions, I'll just clarify at the end of the session. For all online students, in case of any kind of clarifications, I'll take care about to get clarified at the end of the session. At the end of the session, I'll give you enough time to get clarify all your questions. Just please make a note of all that particular respective points. Just make a note of each and every particular module name. All online students also, please make a note of all that particular respective module names. Is that done? What you required? Uh-huh. Okay. Everyone is done? Right. So let's understand what exactly mean by this and how exactly we can take care about all these particular things. So we need to begin mention that this particular training program, which need to be get mentioned that software testing as part of this particular software testing, we need to be get take care about in understanding all these particular models. Let's take care about what exactly mean by all these things and how exactly we can take care about. No discussions, guys. If you guys are not interested, you can happily go outside. I'm not having any issues at all. So which need to be get understand that what exactly all that particular things here. Let's look into that. So before going to this, like most of the people will be having some question mark. What exactly my profile is related to? Like let's see that what exactly the details of my profile, and then we'll go with all these particular models here. Like most of the people is already knowing it. What is my name? Knowing it. Suresh or Suresh Babu? Uh-huh. No Babus or no Reddys or anything here. It's only Suresh. There is no concept of Babus or Reddys or anything. It's only Suresh having with almost the 15 years of IT experience into software testing. Not like in a developer. Red color t-shirt. Some discussions are going on there. Huh, you only. Any serious discussion? Any girlfriend problem? No, right? Okay then. So here we used to begin, I'm having with that particular 15 years of IT experience into the testing. I started my career as a tester. Until now, I need to be get continued as part of testing only. But that particular testing, it has been continued with different careers here. I mean, I was in a pass out of 2006, BTech 2006 CSA branch. So that is what the year I passed out. And from 2007, I started my IT career. From there, I was just moving into different levels here. So I used to be get take care about all that particular IT job activities, and along with that, I need to be get take care about having with training experience also. Last from 2012, I used to be get entered into the training market. From 2012, that particular IT job and that particular training part, I used to be able to get managed. I used to have that particular offline training, online training, and even sometimes I used to be get take care about corporate trainings also. Because of that, you guys don't get assumed like you're taking with the first batch or second batch of the training. It used to be done with lot of batches as part of the testing here related to the training program. You guys, nothing to be worried about at all. I'll take care about my training program in a very easy way, in the very smooth way. But you have to take care about in attending with my sessions very regularly and need to be take care about and doing with the regular practice. If you are taking with the regular training and if you're taking with regular practice, very easily you can learn with the subject and very easily you can take care about and clearing with the interviews. that level of the training program, I used to be get taking care about it. It's not like only fresher level and not like only experience level. By the completion of the training program, I'll get in a comfortable to get clear with the interviews as a fresher level, and I'll take care about to get clear with the interview as a experience level. In that level, I got designed with the training program and the very easiest way, and I'll take care about in a very smooth way. So that is what exactly the detail about my profile here, all about the year of password. Is that enough? Record more details. Record family details also. No, right? So this is what the more information, family details also will get it in further. But for now, don't be worried about all those things. This is what exactly all the information related to my career here. Most of the time, maximum of the people may have a doubt in saying that, sir, my friend has been told that testing market will be there only for 2 years or 3 years. After that, we can't continue in testing. The same doubt I used to be have at the time of I used to be join my training program. I mean, you guys has been doing with the testing training in the year of in the year of forgot year also. What is this year? 24. What is it? 23. In 2023, you guys are doing the training program in which institute? Institute name. Remembered, right? Or forgot it? Suresh IT. Naresh IT, not Suresh IT. My eyes and ears are very dangerous. You guys need to be very careful in my classroom here. So here, you guys are doing with the training program or software testing in the year of 2023. I too done testing training in the year of 2006. Which year? 2006. In 2006, I done with the testing training program in Naresh IT only. I done with my testing training program in the year of 2006 in the Naresh IT only. Only at that time, building is different. You guys are doing in a different building. I done with the testing training in the different building. But in the year of 2006, I done with the testing training. At the time of I used to be joined my testing training program. A lot of my friends has been told that, Suresh, why you are going for testing side? You can't survive for only for 2 years or 3 years. But I done my training in 2006. I started my job in 2007. And this year, 2023, still I was able to sustain. Still I was surviving on testing only, not like any of other technologies. So what I'm trying to say is, don't be worried about the testing market will be there or not, or having with testing experience will be continued or not. Once you start your career as a tester, till the time of you're getting retired in the IT industry, you are having with the possibility and getting continued on testing here. So I mean, so till the time of you're getting retired in the IT industry, you are having with the possibility and take care about and continued with the testing, but you have to take care about and playing with different type of job roles here. It's not like just only one job role. Step by step, you need to take care about and moving into different type of job roles. So what are all different type of job roles? How you can go with and moving into different type of job roles, I'll get understand step by step here. Just to give an information, This is what exactly all that particular experience. In this particular training program, you guys are able to take care about and understanding with all these particular concepts. I'm going to start your training program with module 1. What is that module 1? What is the module 1? Testing fundamentals. I'm taking care about and getting started from a very basic. I mean, I used to start in explaining what exactly mean by testing and why testing required in the current market. I used to start your training program from the very basic level in saying that what is testing and why testing required. From there, I'll be getting started and I'll be moving into different levels. So module 1, the module 1, I'll go with a very basic level, taking with the testing fundamentals. Once module 1 is done, then I'll move to module 2. What is that module 2? Testing roles and responsibilities. I mean, as a tester, what exactly need to be done in the real time? Assume that you want to work as a fresher level, what need to be done? If you want to be get work as experience level, what exactly need to be done? Assume that how you can start your career as a tester and how you can move into different levels. It's not like you got in a job as a tester and always will be continued in the same job role. Step by step, how you can take care about and moving into different type of job roles here. What are all that particular different career level? How you can take care about in playing with different job roles as part of tester. That clear picture you will be getting as part of module 2. What is module 1? Testing fundamentals. That is a very basic. Module 1 is a very basic, which I will be taking with the testing fundamentals, then taking care about module 2, that particular testing roles and responsibilities. So by the two modules, I'll get in a very clear picture of what is mean by testing, why testing required, how testing came into the picture, all the basics, I'll get in a clear picture. With the model 2, you guys will be very clear about what are all different type of job role as a fresher level and what are all different job role as experience level. All that particular part, I'll get in a clear picture. And then I'll be moving into the main modules here that I will be taking with SDLC and SDLC. Meaning of SDLC? What is it? Software development life cycle. So I used to take care about and getting started with SDLC. So what exactly mean by that? What is that process need to be followed? What are the real-time activities need to be done? All those things I used to take care about it. Once we are totally done with SDLC, then we'll be starting with SDLC. Meaning of SDLC? Software testing life cycle. So once we done with the process of SDLC, we need to take care about and getting started with SDLC, mentioning that Satish, door close, open here. So taking with that particular SDLC, what is the meaning of SDLC? Software testing life cycle. I mean, what exactly that particular testing activities we need to be take care about in a very detail. So that we need to be getting started with SDLC and taking with this particular SDLC activities here. So if I'm taking this model 3, then you will be getting started with the very most important model. In all these things, the model 4 is the very most important model need to be understood. What is that model 4? What is it? Test engineer responsibilities. So all you guys has been need to be get work as a tester. Tester or developer? Tester, right? All you guys has to be taking care about to work as a tester. So if you want to be get work as a tester, what exactly that particular job role? If you want to be get work as a tester, what exactly that particular job role need to be get comfortable, that you will be taking care about model 4 mentioning the test engineer responsibilities. And then we'll be starting with model 5. What is that model 5? Defect management. These two are as part of manual testing. As part of manual testing, the model 4 and model 5, the very most important things. As part of model 4, you are taking care about and doing with all that particular testing activities. As part of testing, you have to take care about in testing with application. That is what the job role. The main job role of tester, you have to take care about in testing with application. As part of testing, you have to cross check that the application is working correctly or not. If it is working correctly, no issues at all. In case of not working correctly, what exactly it is not working correctly, you have to take care about in reporting that. So how to report? How to identify the issues? As part of tester, how we can identify the issues and how you can report that particular issues. All those things you are taking care about in learning as part of module 5. That is what clearly mentioned. What is that module 5? Defect management. I mean, you are taking care about how you can identify the issues. The defects are nothing but issues. How we can identify the issues, how you can report the issues. Once you report the issue, what needs to be done? Each and everything you are taking care about and doing as part of model 5. Once we done with model 5, taking care about model 6. What is that model 6? What is it? Status report. Because as an IT employee, as you are working in the IT, you need to take care about in preparing with different type of reports need to be prepared. Even though you are the test engineer, perfectly okay. But as a test engineer, as part of IT employee related to the testing, you have to take care about in preparing with different type of reports. What exactly that reports need to be prepared, why we need to be prepared, all that particular reports that will take care about in understanding in a very detail. That we will be taking with module 6, considering the status reports. Up to module 6, we used to be get mentioned like manual testing. What exactly your training program? Your training program? Software testing. What kind of software? What kind of software? Any kind of the software. As part of this training program, you are taking care about in testing with any kind of software. that particular software you are taking care about in testing with manual testing. Not only manual testing, along with manual testing, you are taking care about in having with automation testing. That automation testing using Selenium. See the concept. Up to module 6, you can consider that manual testing. Up to module 6, we can say that manual testing. After module 6, you are taking care about and getting started with automation testing. That particular automation testing you are taking care about in learning with the help of Selenium. I mean, you are taking care about manual testing and you are taking care about automation testing. Along with these two, module 8. What is that module 8? What is it? API testing using Postman and rest assured. That API testing you are taking care about in learning with by using Postman and rest assured. So everything into the testing perspective. That API testing you are taking care about learning by using Postman and rest assured. And then module 9, database testing using SQL here. Not like database developer. That particular database testing you are taking care about with the respective of that particular SQL here. And after that, taking care about performance testing using JMeter. So along with all these things, you are taking care about ChatGPT for software testing. You are not taking care about to test ChatGPT, but for software testing, how you can utilize that particular ChatGPT that you are going to learn. So you are taking care about in learning with all these particular concepts here to make your training program more comfortable and more easy. Just taking care about in dividing into different models here along with, according to these particular models, you are going to learn all the concepts in the very perfect way with the help of project level. Not like into the theory, all these particular concepts you are going to learn with the help of project level. Maximum of in this particular week, I'll take care about in starting with the project and you're taking care about in learning with all that particular concepts here. So just to have in a more detail, if I'm taking with this module 1, what is that module 1? Module 1, testing fundamentals. So that particular module 1, testing fundamentals, I'm getting started from the very first step. Not required to make a note of it. Not required. Just take care about what are the things we are learning. So first, module 1. What is that module 1? No. Module 1. Testing fundamentals. So that module 1, the testing fundamentals, I'm going to start explaining from the very basic of what is software testing, why software testing. From the very basic, I used to take care about in starting this particular training program. I'm not directly starting the automation testing. As this is a very new batch, I'm not like directly started from automation testing. It's mandatory that first need to comfortable with manual testing. It's mandatory that first I need to start from manual testing. So that particular manual testing, I'm getting started from a very basic level and taking care about. Started with what is meant by software and what is meant by software testing and why exactly testing has been required and what are all need to be get take care about different types of testings here. So you are going to learn from the very basic level. That is what I'm clearly saying that I used to start from a very basic level and I'll be closing with a very advanced level. Your training program will start from a very basic level and I'll be completing with a very advanced level. This is what I used to be get take care about module 1. By the time of module 1 completed, you guys will be getting with a very clear picture related to the testing. What exactly mean by testing, why testing has been required, and how that testing career growth will be there, what will be the salaries, how to start it, how you can promote into the next level, what need to be done as a fresher level, what need to be done experience level, everything, all the basics you are taking care about as part of this particular respective module 1. Once you done with module 1, once you have been done with module 1, then you are taking care about module 2. What is that module 2? Testing roles and responsibilities. That module 2 taking care about the testing roles and responsibilities here. Need to avoid the mobiles. Please avoid the mobiles in the classroom. Don't take any photos. Everything you will get in the PDF files. Don't be worried about on it. You guys need to be maintain one particular proper notebook for the running notes. Along with that, you will be getting with the PDF files. What exactly the things I was discussing in each and every class, everything has been documented in the PDF file. You guys will be getting with the access of all that particular PDF files here. Don't be worried about it all. So we got module 2. What is module 2? Testing roles and responsibilities. Now we can see that indirectly you can understand how your testing career will be done. So what is the first designation here? Software test engineer. I mean, first you are taking care about as part of tester what need to be done. As a test engineer, what need to be done? As a senior tester, what need to be done? Test lead, project lead, test manager, and taking with senior test manager or considering that DU lead. I mean, indirectly, this is how you can understand that you can start your career as a tester and you can take care about and move into different levels here. It's not like you can survive as a tester just only for 2 years or 3 years. Once you start your career as a tester, till the time of you are getting retired in the IT industry, you are having with the possibility and get continued with different levels. In each and every level, what need to be done, how the career will be there in each and every particular level, all those particular things you need to be get comfortable. So that is what you are getting the very clear picture as part of module 2. So as part of module 2, you are taking care about in having with all the clear picture of the testing career. I mean, what need to be done in each and every level as part of the tester, all those particular things you will be getting with a very clear picture related to that. So by that, you guys will get comfortable how to start testing career and what need to be done with the different levels and how you can take care about step by step all that particular job responsibilities as part of that particular tester level. This is how, in a very simple, you can understand that taking care about starting with your career as a tester and then moved into different levels here. So that you will be getting with model 2. Your model 1, very basics, what is meant by testing. Model 2, I'll get a clear picture of your testing career level. And then slowly it will be moved into the very most important that it will be taking with SDLC and then taking with STLC. So meaning of SDLC? Software Development Life Cycle. So that particular SDLC you are taking care about and moving in understanding what exactly the process need to be done. So as part of SDLC, you are taking care about all that particular real-time process. Along with that, you are taking care about and understanding that waterfall model, V model, and taking with agile model. I mean, not like only these three. As an example, I mentioned these three models. What are the models we mentioned? Waterfall model, V model, agile model. Along with these three models, we got prototype model. What is it? Prototype model. Incremental model. What is it? Incremental model. And we got spiral model. What is it? Spiral model. And then we got fish model. No chicken model, mutton model. Fish model is there. I mean, according to that particular requirement, we got taking care about in different type of models are there. If I'm taking with that particular different type of models, just need to be get comfortable in taking care about mainly in understanding these three models. Once you got understand these three particular models, very easily you can take care about other models here. So that is what you are taking care about: waterfall model, V model, and then agile model. This is what you are taking care about as part of SDLC. Once we done with SDLC, then you'll take care about STLC. Meaning of STLC? Software Testing Life Cycle. So that is what we are starting it. First, I'll make you comfortable with SDLC, that particular SDLC models. Once you got comfortable with SDLC models, then I'll take care about your STLC. So as part of STLC, your project will be started. Once I start STLC, I'll take care about your project testing. Till the time of SDLC, looks like some theory here. Once I start STLC, I'll take care about that particular respective project testing. So that is where we are starting with project testing. So as part of that project testing, the very most important model you are taking care about, model 4. So what is that model 4? What is that model 4? Test engineer responsibilities. So that is what your actual job role. Once you guys got in a job as a tester, manual tester, automation tester, fresher level, experience level, whatever it can be. Once you guys got in a job as a tester, what need to be done? That is what you are going to learn all the things in a practical. This is what exactly each and every point you are going to learn in practical. You are taking care about writing the scenarios, creating the folders, writing the test cases, doing the execution, bug reporting, all the things. What exactly all these particular points I got mentioned, each and every particular point you are taking care about in learning in a practical. That is what you are taking care about your project testing. As part of your project testing, you are taking care about in learning with each and every particular concept in practical. This is what exactly you are taking care about your module 4, one of the most important module here. So this module 4, we got test engineer responsibilities. Along with this module 4, you are taking care about in having with module 5. What is that module 5? What is a module 5? Defect management. One of the main concept, because all you guys has been considered as a tester. As a tester, what do you have to do? As a tester, what do you have to do? Testing or development? Testing or development? Testing. As a tester, you have to take care about in doing the testing activities. In that particular testing activities, you are taking care about in confirming that application has been working correctly or not. If it is working correctly, no issues at all. If developer has been developed the application or he developed the code in the correct way, no worries at all. In case of that application is not working correctly, we have to take care about in reporting that particular issue. Reporting that particular issue, you are taking care about in having with that particular defect management. I mean, in the training program, how to identify the issues, how we can identify the defects, or we can say that how we can identify that bugs. Once it got identified, how we can report it. Once you report it, what need to be done. So all the things in practical, you are taking care about it. I mean, as part of the training program, you guys has been taking care about to test the application. That is what the training program. You guys need to test the software. You have to identify the issues and you have to report it. So how to identify the issues? How we can report that issues? Once you report, what need to be done? So all those particular things you are taking care about in learning with practical. That is what you need to be get look into that. So that is what you are taking care about your module 4 and module 5. These two will be playing with a very important role as part of the tester here. Along with that, you are taking care about this particular next model. What is it? What is it? Status reports. As part of status reports, what is the first one? What is it? Daily status reports, which we can consider that DSR. What is it? DSR, not YSR. What is it? Not YSR, guys. DSR. Meaning of DSR? Daily status report. As part of the tester, you guys need to take care about in preparing that particular DSR. Why we need to prepare it? How we can prepare it? we need to take care about in the training program. Not only DSR, meaning of DSR, daily status report. Along with that, you are taking care about WSR. Meaning of WSR? What is it? Weekly status report. One is DSR, another one WSR. Meaning of WSR? Weekly status report. Along with that, you are taking care about MSR. Meaning of MSR? Monthly status report. So three main things here. One is daily status report, another one weekly status report, and then taking care about monthly status report. So along with that, you have to take care about all that particular defect report or RTM. What exactly mean by all that particular things you have to take care about in referring with all these particular things. I mean, as part of this particular training program, you have to take care about in understanding all these things here. Up to this, you are taking care about manual testing. So by model 6, you'll complete with what will complete? What will complete? Manual testing. So by model 6, it will be completing with manual testing with the help of the project, including project level. Including project level, you will be completing with this particular manual testing. Once the whole manual testing completed, then you'll start with automation testing. That automation testing using Selenium. So you are taking care about in having with up to model 5, you are completing with what you are completing? Manual testing. That manual testing you are completing with the help of project. Once your whole manual testing completed, after that you are taking care about and getting started with automation testing using Selenium along with project. That automation testing you are going to learn with the help of project. So that particular automation testing also, first I'm taking care about in giving with the details of automation introduction. First, I'm taking care about in giving with the information related to automation introduction. Like what is mean by automation, why automation testing, drawbacks of manual testing, advantages of automation testing. So why exactly automation testing has been came into the market and came into the picture, difference of manual and automation, that you will understand. After that, I am taking care about in giving the details of what is it? Core Java. That core Java concepts with the respective of Selenium. With the respective of Selenium, how much Java knowledge has been required, that I'll take care of it. Manual testing, any programming? Manual testing, do we require coding knowledge? Do we require programming knowledge? No. We doesn't require any programming knowledge or any coding knowledge for manual testing. It's totally zero programming and zero coding. But automation testing, we required. Automation testing, we required basic concepts of core Java. But you may get in a dot, sir, we are totally new to the programming. We are not knowing about what is meant by core Java, what is that programming concepts. We are not aware of that. So that part, I'll take care of it. Today, maybe you are not able to write a single line of code. Today, you are not able to write one single line of code. But by the end of this training program, by the end of this training program, when it will complete? How many months? How many months? 3 months. 100 days you need to plan. 3 months plus 1 week, definitely it will be taking 100 days. Today, you are not able to write in a single line of code. But by the end of my training program, by the end of 3 months, by the completion of 3 months, I'll give the guarantee, not assurance. I'm giving the guarantee that you guys will get comfortable in writing with the lines of code. How many lines of code you will write? After completion of 3 months. Minimum. I'm not talking about maximum. I'm not talking about maximum. Minimum, it will take care about in writing with 200 lines of code. How many lines? How many lines? 200 lines of code. I'll give the guarantee on that. You can remember the today's date also. What is today's date? Today's date, guys? 21st. Okay. So I can give the guarantee that you will be writing with the minimum. I'm not talking about maximum. Minimum will take care about in writing with 200 lines of code. But that particular guarantee means not like today you attended, after 3 months attended the same session. Suresh sir, you told that 200 lines, where is 200 lines? It's not like you are taking with attending in the first day and last day. If you want to write 200 lines of code, what you have to do? Before practice, what you have to do? You have to attend my sessions regularly, not like attending only on Monday and attending only on Friday and then remaining days taking the rest in the hostel. It's not like that. You have to take care about attending with the sessions very regularly. By that, 100% I'll give the guarantee that you will be become comfortable in working with automation testing. You guys don't be worried about it all. All those things I'll take care of it. Just guys take care about in attending the sessions regularly and taking the regular practice, and then be active in the classrooms here. Don't sleep in the classrooms here. Evening 6 p.m. also people are sleeping in the classrooms. Today's Monday, sir. Obviously sleeping will be there, sir. Evening 6 p.m. session, but still people are sleeping in the classrooms, guys. Morning, we are all tired, sir. You are taking the sessions in the evening. Please be very active in the classrooms here, including the online students also. I'm not sure online students are available or went for tiffin or snacks or anything. Is that online students are available or went for snacks? Online students. Could you please everyone respond in the chat window? Is that everyone available or went for snacks? So not like just for attending the session, joining the meeting and went for tea, coffee or anything. Please be available in online. Till the time of the session has to be completed, everyone need to be available in online. So please take care about attending that particular sessions very regularly. That is what I require. By that, I can take care about in giving with all the information as part of that particular automation testing. I'll take care about that core Java concepts. After that, I'll be starting with our actual Selenium. That is what? Selenium WebDriver. And then taking care about and starting with the very most important concept, automation frameworks. As part of automation framework, what you are going to learn? TestNG framework, hybrid framework, and taking with PYM framework. Along with these things, you are taking care about Log4j and taking care about Jenkins and taking care about GitHub. What is mean by that? Don't be worried. everything I'll take care of it. And apart from all these particular things, I'm taking care about Maven, along with Maven, Cucumber, Cucumber with BDD. And finally, need to be get take care about in having with Auto IT along with Sicoli. So all are different tools here. Everything taking with the different tools here. All these particular concepts you are going to learn. So by this, you are completing with automation testing. First, you are taking care about manual testing with the help of one particular project. First, you are taking care about manual testing with the help of one project. After that, taking care about automation testing with the help of one more project. So as part of automation testing, you are taking care about all these particular concepts. By this, you will be completing with this particular automation testing. Once you're done with automation testing, then you are taking care about API testing using Postman and Rest Assured. This Postman like manual, Rest Assured like automation. That API testing also you are taking care about that manual and automation. And then I'll take care about database testing using SQL. So I'll take care about in understanding all that particular SQL statement, how you can write that particular query statement as part of the testing that you will understand. After that, taking care about performance testing using JMeter. So apart from that, you are taking care about ChatGPT for software testing. So if you go with the whole conclusion of your training program, first you are taking care about Module 1, testing fundamentals, and taking care about Module 2, testing roles and responsibilities. Module 3, SDLC and STLC. Module 4, you are taking care about test engineer responsibilities. And then taking care about that Module 5, defect man. What is that? Manual testing. So by Module 6, if we complete with the Module 6, it'll be completing with manual testing. Once you're done with manual testing, I'll take care about automation testing that will be taking with Selenium, and then taking care about API testing. After that, database testing. After that, performance testing. And after that, ChatGPT. So this is what taking care about your whole conclusion of your total training